CNC stock analysis and price predictions for next week. Super interesting. Is it a buy? I'm going to be covering all this in this brief short 1-minute video. And as the only person in the stock trading space with 43,000 video track record and 5 years of experience every single freaking day over the last 5 years, I've seen what's working for me and what's not. And it wasn't until I paid mentors tens of thousands of dollars to learn the skills that everything changed, which you obviously don't have to do. Especially with CNC, just a bearish market, like one heck of a bearish market. And that puts me into a perspective that the likelihood things keep going down is still quite high. So I'll just move everything to this bottom and notice how it's a perfect fit for this previous supply zone, right? Perfect, like this is perfect fit. What this means is that I'm not selling randomly, but if there is a double break confirmation, I'm looking to take it down. But Mr. Sicko, when is this going to be a buy? Well, very simple. First signs of bullishness is going to be breaks above 29, 30 bucks. If that doesn't happen, I'm not buying. So with CNC, I've got previous receipts here as well. If you want to stay tuned and get my money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. See you in the next one.